Hello and welcome to this tutorial. We will be solving the following exercise. The exercise says, describe the transformation that maps ABC to A prime, B prime, and C prime. So basically you need to find two things. You need to find the center and you need to find the scale factor. Well, each one has its own way of solving it. Let's start with finding the center. To find the center, you have to draw three straight lines. One connecting A prime and A, another connecting B prime and B, and the last one connecting C prime and C. The point of intersection of these three new straight lines is going to be the center, which is I. And turns out that I has the coordinates of -3 and -6. So we found our center. Now what's left off is to find the scale factor. The rule for finding the scale factor is the new length of one side of the triangle divided by the original length. So let's go ahead and take any random side out of the new triangle. I'm going to go ahead and take the side A prime B prime and divide its length by the side AB. So let's go ahead and measure the length of A prime B prime and then measure the length of AB. So moving from A prime to B prime, you have to go 3 squares up and then 9 squares to the right. And so it's 9. And as for AB, it is 1 up and 3 to the right. So it's going to be 9 divided by 3, which is basically 3. So the scale factor for this exercise is equal to 3.